Here we go, fish on.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know.
Hi, welcome to Walks with Moss. Nothing exciting today. We're just trying to get out and just get out of the house, get a little exercise, going to go on a little fishing trip. Going to go on a little fishing trip to a very local lake where I usually catch my limit right after it's planted. But the fish are small. These aren't trophy fish. But it's entertaining. It gets us out of the house, and it's enough to fill a few jars when I make my canned smoked trout later in the year. We've got ravens up here complaining. They're probably not happy with Bella. Here we go, fish on. Geez, it seems like a good size one for this lake too. I actually need to give it some. And now, oh, this reel. This is not the best reel. I'm not sure what's going on. Fish might have wrapped around something. I don't even think it's still on. Darn it. Oh. Yeah, I officially do not like this reel anymore. It doesn't have enough adjustment. It's either too tight or too loose. Wait a minute, I do have a fish. I do still have a fish on. Okay, I take it back. The reel is okay. There we go. Hey, that is bigger than normal for this lake. That is. I found a solution to the problem of the ground being too hard to put a stick in to make a support for my rod. Just make a tripod out of rubber bands. It's working out pretty well. Time to clean them up. These will get lightly smoked and then canned, but they're going to spend some time in the freezer first. I wait until I have a big enough batch to can. And these little ones, I don't know, 5 fish, maybe 6 half pints of meat. That one's got white flesh. Yeah. Hope I'm not grossing people out by showing this. Some people were complaining like, you shouldn't touch the fish, it burns their skin, when they see me grabbing them and pulling them on up to the shore, but that assumes that I'm throwing them back, and I'm not. Gosh, I hope I'm not grossing anyone out with this, but I'm just going to go ahead and show the process anyway, because I catch, cook, and clean. Catch, clean, and cook, actually. Yeah. Fish heads, roly-poly. Sorry. When they're this small, I don't even like to take them home and pan fry them because there's just so many bones to deal with. But when you pressure can them, the bones aren't an issue because they get soft. And then they actually become a good source of calcium. You ready to go, buddy? You ready to go? Yeah. Bella's favorite part of every fishing trip is when it's over and we get to walk back to the car. Because for Bella, it really is about the journey and not the destination. Well, I think that's it. We had a great day. Got our limit of fish, got some relaxation in, got out of the house, got a tiny bit of exercise. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give me a like and comment. I love the comments. Love getting comments.